This is our fifth class, and in this class we will learn how to perform the basic operations in shell script like arithmetic operation, logical operation, relational operation, bitwise operation, etc. So let us start with the basic arithmetic operation like addition. Suppose we want to take two user input. So just like in C language where we write a string like enter the value of some variable and after that take the variable value from the user, in shell script also we can do so. We just need to write read, after that put a minus p, and after that within a single quote write down a string like enter the value of a, and after that you can put the variable name like a. Similarly, suppose I want to take another user input b and for that case write down enter the value of b and write down b here and enter. So we have taken two value from the user. Now suppose we want to perform the addition. So put add without space, put equal sign, after that use a backtick and write expr, and after that put a space $a, then again space plus $b, and after that close the backtick. So it will perform the addition between two variables a and b, and after you can simply print it by echo statement, echo within the double quote a plus b equal to $add. So it will let me run it and see whether it is working or not. So it is asking for the value of a, put suppose 3, enter the value of b, suppose put 4, so it should show us the output 7. See, the output is 7 is showing in here. So remember how we can perform the arithmetic operation. You need to write everything within the backtick, open backtick and close backtick, and within it you need to write expr, after that you need to put space and $a, again space between the operation. If you do not put those spaces it will not work. See, if I close this space and if I want to run it, it will not give me the output. Check. See, it has considered it as a simply a string rather than any arithmetic operation. So you need to keep in mind that you need to provide the space. Similarly, instead of using any variable, you can directly write down the expression over here in the echo statement. Let me replace this add variable with the direct expression only, and let me run it and see whether it is working or not. So enter the value of a, put 3, enter the value of b, put 4, and see the output is a plus b, 3 plus 4 is 7. Similarly, the other arithmetic operation also can be done directly in the echo statement. Like suppose I want to perform a minus b, and in that case I need to write down minus operator in here, put a minus operator. Similarly, if I want to perform the multiplication, division and modulo also, so in case of multiplication, division and modulo, so in case of multiplication we need to put a multiplication operator in here, but multiplication operation has different meaning in the shell script, so you just need to press a escape character to act is as multiplication operation. Similarly, in case of division, put a division sign. In case of modulo, put a modulo sign, and let me see whether it is working or not. So put the value of 3, a as 3, b as 4, and see what are the outputs. So see, a plus b, 3 plus 4 is 7, 3 minus 4 is minus 1, and 3 into 4 is 12, and 3 by 4 is 0, and 3 modulo 4 is 3. So all the arithmetic operation we have done in here. So now let me try to perform some relational operation in shell script and see how we can do so. So for to evaluating any relational statement like comparing two variables, we need to use some if statement. So in this class we will also learn how to use the if else clause in shell script. So let us start. If after that you need to use square bracket. Every comparative statement or relational statement should be written within the square bracket in shell script. So put a square bracket and after that put space, and within it write down suppose $a equal $b. So it will compare two variables a and b. See, I have put a space before $a and after $a. Similarly, after the $b. Then after the next line of if, write down then, And after that, suppose if clause is true, in that case we can write down echo A and B are equal. And suppose A and B are not equal, in that case what should we do? In the else clause we should write down that if and B, A and B are not equal. And after that, how to close the if clause? Just write down the opposite spelling of if, which is fi. So fi will close the if clause. And after that, run it and see. Suppose let me put a same value for A and B, and see they are telling A and B are equal. So the code is working fine. So let me check with some different values of A and B. So if A is 3 and B is 4, in that case they are telling A and B are not equal. So it is okay. So this is how we can perform the equality operation in case of shell script. Suppose we want to perform or check the inequality in case of shell script. How to do so? So the equality operation should be replaced with the inequality operation, A not equals to B. And similarly, this statement should be reversed, because if A not equals to B, in that case we should say A and B are not equal. And if inequality is false, that means they are equal. So let me change these two and run it. So if I put the value of A is 3, B is 3, see both the equality and inequality, both the operations are giving us the right value. Let me run check some other relational operation in shell script, like greater than, less than, greater equals to, less equals to. Suppose we want to perform whether A is greater than or not. So we need to write hyphen GT to compare whether they are greater than or not. And to compare less than, just put hyphen LT to whether check A is less than B or not. So if A is greater than B, so I should write A is greater than B. A is greater than B. And if they are not greater than, so I should write A is not greater than B. If that is false, then A is not greater than B. Similarly, in case of less than, what should I do? If it is true, LT means less than. So if A is less than B, and if it is false, then I should say that A is not less than B. A is not less than B. Similarly, there is other two operations are there, which is less than equal and greater than equal. So suppose I want to check whether A is greater than equal to B or not. So in that case, I need to write GE, greater than equal. So greater than or equal to B. And if it is false, then obviously A is not greater than equal to B. So A is not greater than equal to B. Similarly, in case of A minus LT means less than equal to. So I can write LE. So less than equal to. A is less than or equal to B, if it is true. And if it is not true, I should write A is not less than or equal to. A is not less than or equal to B. So let me run this code. Suppose the value of A is 3 and suppose B is 5. So see the outputs. So obviously A, B are not equal. Both the equality and inequality operation telling us A, B are not equal. And obviously A is not greater than B. A is less than B. And the second statement is telling A is not greater equal to B. And A is less than or equal to B. So these are all the arithmetic and relational operation we can do in shell script. In the next class, we will learn how to perform the bitwise and logical operation in